Hey G12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool amazing model right here, and basically what this is a squeegee that you can use this to like clean off like your window, maybe even like your countertop. Basically, you can use this almost anywhere, but mainly they mention how you can use it in like your shower room or your bathroom. So first thing first, I'm going to open a product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. So first thing you see inside, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to install the product. And here is everything else. So right here is the plastic handle, the squeegee right here. And right here is the hook option that you can use to put onto the wall. Let me take both of them out to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it is a high stainless steel material right here. And they provide you guys the tape option that you can stick it onto the wall. And here's the actual one that they provide for you guys if anything goes wrong, the one right here. So for the squeegees, they actually have in different colors and different size. So the one that we got right here is the 12-inch. If you guys want to get a smaller one, they do have like a 10-inch option. You can definitely see the product is quite long, so it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean like your countertop or even like your mirror if you guys want to. I believe you guys can also use this in the car if you guys want to, but they mainly mention how this is for the restroom. And you can see on the handle right here is quite long, so definitely get a good grip when you guys use it for like cleaning stuff, which is pretty cool. So all you guys need to do is that once you guys put this on, just hang this part like this right here, and you just want to tape that onto the wall so that way you can keep everything all organized. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to set up and how to use it. Let me actually bring this over to the restroom and show you guys how to use it and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. If you guys can see, I splattered a bunch of water on here to show you guys what it actually works. So let's test it out. So what you guys want to do is just go like this and just move it this way. Alright, so you can see the actual product itself, it definitely does work and it actually cleans off a lot of the liquid off from here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use the product. Literally all you're going to do is just use this product and clean off your window, your countertop, or even if you guys want to use it for your car, you definitely can. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys want to get one of these to clean off like your windows at home, or if you guys want to use this for like your car windows, you definitely can. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.